Good morning! Napakaaga dito, 4:34 pa lang ng umaga and ready na kami to drive to Fairbanks Airport. Kasama din namin dito yung aking biyanan kasi siya yung mag-uuwi ng aming sasakyan pabalik ng Delta. Hindi nyo lang siya makita dyan sa likod kasi madilim pa. Malapit na kami sa airport, medyo foggy yung parte na to ng Fairbanks. Time check, it's 6:40 in the morning. After mga 2 hours na pagdadrive, nakarating na kami dito. At maliit lang pala yung airport ng Fairbanks, Alaska. Ito yung pinakamalapit na syudad sa amin. Tara, pasok na tayo. Dinig ba yung crunch ng snow habang hinihila ng asawa ko yung aming mga maleta? Buti na lang at hindi naman masyadong malamig yung umaga ngayon. Oh, yung oras ngayon is 7:20 ng umaga. Naka-check-in na kami. Nandito na kami sa loob ng airport. Mag-aantay na lang kami. Nag-order ng breakfast kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Sobrang aga kasi namin nagising. 4 or quarter to 4 pa lang nagising na kami para mag-ready. Unahan ko na kayo, hindi yan laway na natuyo Nagbabalat yung mukha ko kasi nag-exfoliate ako. Naglagay ako ng exfoliator kasi grabe yung breakout ko this month. Kaya ayan, nagbabalat ko yun dito sa ilalim ng ilong ko, around my mouth. See you in Texas! Mag-land pala muna kami sa Seattle tsaka mag-transfer sa another plane dahil walang direct flight from Fairbanks to Texas. Nanonood ako ng movie na How to Train Your Dragon sa alaskawifi.com ng Alaska Airline at ganon din yung ginagawa ng asawa ko para hindi namin ma-notice kung gaano katagal yung flight. So yung Fairbanks to Seattle is mga 3.5 hours na flight pala. We just landed in Seattle. Naiihin ako kaya magbanyo muna ako. Siyempre hindi ko na i-video yung pag-ihigo. Anyway, pina-practice ko pala dito gamitin yung aking Insta360 na camera. At so far, okay naman siya. Medyo nangangapa pa rin ako. Gusto ko palang i-share sa inyo na ganito kadalasan yung itsura ng mga bathrooms dito sa US. I can't help but compare sa bathrooms natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay lang naman siguro mag-compare as long as na hindi tao yung aking kinukumpara. Yung mga banyo nila dito is malinis, palaging may sabon, toilet paper, paper towel, or air hand dryer. Yun lang. Here's a short glimpse of the outside of Seattle Airport. Maaraw ngayon. Maghanap muna kami ng lunch. Mga Asian, cash Mexican. The Asian? Ito yung restaurant na napili namin. Ewan ko kung paano i-pronounce yan. Peewee.
Hello.
Hi.
We got honey seared chicken with white rice. Chicken pad thai with white rice.
Oh, chicken but no, it doesn't come in the big rice.
Oh, it doesn't?
You want
Okay.
white rice?
Do you want rice?
No.
The apple curry pan.
Alright, thank you. Yeah.
I'll find some place to eat. There's a chair. I'll look around.
Thank you for this food and for safe flight.
Ito na yung aking chicken pad thai. Hindi maganda yung kuha ng aking mga videos dito dahil may napindot pala ako sa camera kaya naging ganito yung itsura niya. And then kumain na rin ako ng isang apple paas panghimagas. Mga 2 hours lang pala yung aming layover dito sa Seattle. So tamang-tama lang yung aming oras para kumain at mag-transfer sa another plane papunta ng Texas. Yung pinanood ko na movie sa flight na to is yung movie ng Filipino-American comedian na si Jokoy. Nag-offer na din dito ng drinks yung mga stewardess. Yung kinuha ko is ginger ale. We just landed in... Where are we?
Texas.
Texas! Here's our rental car na naging truck. Mas mahal na yung binayad namin kasi wala na silang available na sasakyan. So we are in El Paso, Texas. Time check, it's 7:23 ng gabi. So So, 2 hours advance yung kanilang oras dito sa Alaska. 5:23 pa lang ng hapon. Ganito pa lang itsura ng loob ng truck na to. Oh, parang bago pa siya. Chevrolet. Maghahanap muna kami ng pagkain bago pumunta ng aming hotel. Pagod na kami at gutom. So, we've been flying for 8 hours total. From Fairbanks to Seattle, 4 hours. And then from Seattle to El Paso is also 4 hours.
Each one was about 3.
3?
3.5.
3.5.
One was
I just rounded up to 4.
3 hour, 15,
So
and
about
one was
8
10.
hours. Dito kami magdi-dinner sa Famous Dave's. First time namin ditong kakain kasi first time din namin dito sa Texas. Let's see kung masarap yung pagkain nila. Maghahanap na tayo dito ng makakain. Ito yung itsura dito sa loob. Oh. I'm gonna order Dave's Sassy Barbecue Salad. Yung meat ko is yung beef brisket. Gusto ko kasi light meal lang kasi pagdating namin ng hotel matutulog na lang kami. Sobrang pagod. So what are you getting?
I'm getting the Jack and Stack burger.
Burger. Got his garden salad. With vegetables today. So ito yung aking in-order na Texas brisket salad. Sa awa ko ng burger. Yum. Sarap.
That?
Masarap. How's yours? Nami? Are you gonna eat the tomatoes?
No.
Huh? Can I eat it? Ayun yung nakamandi sa akong pagkain. Naubos ko guys. Sobra yung gutom. $40.75. Busog! Now, we just need tulog.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Yung mata ko parang hindi na mabuka. There's our hotel. Embassy Suites. No, it's chilly.
Chili. You want a chili for dinner?
No, it's chilly.
Oh.
Look at the shivers. Naka-t-shirt lang siya. Time check, 8:16. Dito sa gilid ng highway, maraming mga malls. Kaka-check-in lang namin. Sa 8th floor daw kami. Ang taas. Ding! Oh, there's a small elevator. Really small. I'm getting the pool. Nothing. Nakakalula. Oh, tingnan nyo sa baba. Ah. Welcome to our room. Mag-hotel room tour tayo. So, pagpasok mo dito, may maliit na sink, may coffee maker, and what else is in here? Tea, and my coffee, may trash can, may baso, and then dito is yung kanyang bathroom, ayan, yung kanyang shower, toilet, and then over here is the closet. Ayan. Sa loob. Maliit lang siya na kwarto. And then my table. And it says, welcome, Jarido. May maliit na sofa. And this is our bed. That's it. Very simple na room. The room seems smaller.
Yeah, the room's small.
Yeah. Alright, magpahinga na kami. Pagod na pagod. Makikita nyo sa aking mata. Mas maga yung kanan pag pagod na pagod ako. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video. Mag-shower muna kami and mag-beauty rest na. Kasi we have to go to Big Ben tomorrow, which is 5 hours from here. So, kailangan namin matulog na maaga dahil magigising kami ulit ng maaga. See you tomorrow. Good night. I'm here blowing the phone. I'm sorry. How are you doing? Check the TV. I'm on the TV, Blue. I love you. I love you, Blue. Minnie. Ambuk. I love you. They're looking at the TV. Coiny. Hello. We'll be home soon. Oh yeah, almost 9. Yeah.
You look tired.
My eyes are like, We're just gonna take a shower and go to sleep.